The infective form of malarial parasite. Option A, sporozoite. Option B, merozoites. Option C, gametocyte. Option D, hypnozoites. Answer is option A, sporozoite. The dormant stage of sporozoites of Plasmodium occurring in liver cells. Option A, sporozoite. Option B, merozoite. Option C, gametocyte. Option D, hypnozoite. Answer is option D, hypnozoite. Which parasite is seen in signin ring form inside the erythrocytes? Option A, Babesia. Option B, Plasmodium. Option C, Leishmania. Option D, Pneumocyto. Answer is option B, Plasmodium. In case of Plasmodium, the ookinete stage is seen in option A, man. Option B, mosquito. Option C, both man and mosquito. Option D, artificial media. Answer is option B, mosquito. The infected erythrocyte show fimbriae in case of infection with which type of Plasmodium? Option A, Plasmodium vivax. Option B, Plasmodium falciparum. Option C, Plasmodium malariae. Option D, Plasmodium ovale. Answer is option D, Plasmodium ovale. Erythrocyte is enlarged in case of infection with option A, Plasmodium vivax. Option B, Plasmodium falciparum. Option C, Plasmodium malariae. Option D, Plasmodium ovale. Answer is option A, Plasmodium vivax. Duration of schizogeny in case of Plasmodium malariae. Option A, 12 hours. Option B, 24 hours. Option C, 48 hours. Option D, 72 hours. Answer is option D, 72 hours. Crescent-shaped gametocyte is seen in RBC during infection with option A, Plasmodium vivax. Option B, P. falciparum. Option C, P. malariae. Option D, P. ovale. Answer is option B, P. falciparum. Binucleated ring form are seen in RBC in case of infection with option A, P. falciparum. Option B, P. malariae. Option C, P. ovale. Option D, P. vivax. Answer is option A, P. falciparum. Which of the following produce greater number of merozoite? Option A, P. vivax. Option B, P. malariae. Option C, P. ovale. Option D, P. vivax and P. falciparum. Answer is option D, P. vivax and P. falciparum. The febrile paroxysm in case of malarial infection is due to option A, increased number of merozoites. Option B, increased number of WBC produced against parasite. Option C, product released along with merozoites into circulation. Option D, all of the above. Answer is option C, products released along with the merozoites into circulation. Acol ring forms are seen in case of infection with option A, P. malariae. Option B, P. falciparum. Option C, both A and B. Option D, P. vivax. Answer is option B, P. falciparum. G6PD deficient individuals are less prone to option A, filariasis. Option B, trypanosomiasis. Option C, malariae. Option D, leishmaniasis. Answer is option C, malariae. In case of falciparum and vivax infection, following days are taken respectively for the appearance of gametocyte in peripheral blood after infection. Option A, 3 and 5. Option B, 10 and 14. Option C, 24 and 78. Option D, 21 and 16. Answer is option D, 21 and 16. Why solely milk-fed babies are less prone to malarial infection? Option A, due to sufficient supply to para-aminobenzoic acid. Option B, due to deficiency of para-aminobenzoic acid. Option C, due to supply of sufficient protein. Option D, A and C. Answer is option B, due to deficiency of para-aminobenzoic acid. Red cell count will be comparatively greater in case of infection with option A, P. malariae. Option B, P. vivax. Option C, A and B. Option D, P. falciparum. Answer is option D, P. falciparum. Fungal skin test is done to detect option A. Toxoplasmosis, option B. Trypanosomiasis, option C. Malariae, option D. Leishmaniasis. Answer is option A. Toxoplasmosis. Diphyllobothriasis can be acquired through eating infected option A. Pork, option B. Beef, option C. Fish, option D. Mutton. Answer is option C. Fish. Second larval stage of Diphyllobothrium latum. Option A. Coracidium, option B. Pleurocercoid, option C. Merozoite, option D. Procercoid. Answer is option D. Procercoid. Which larval stage of Diphyllobothrium latum occurs inside the cyclops? Option A. Coracidium, option B. Pleurocercoid, option C. Cysticercoid, option D. Procercoid. Answer is option D. Procercoid.